Hey guys, welcome to our intermediate practice today. We're going to begin in our child's pose, big toes touching. Just get into a child's pose, big toes touching. Nice work. Lifting up a bit today. Open up our lower back. We're going to get into inversions, okay? Working into our transverses, rectus abdominis muscle groups. Really getting into that vacuum pose, posing, as well as lifting up the gut, as well as lifting up our abs and our obliques to strengthen our lower back as we flow in between sets, okay? As we get into our inversions, we'll be working along the midline today, as well as trying to activate the endocrine system, releasing the happy hormones into the blood flow, as well as getting our blood circulation flowing all throughout. At the same time, working on our transformation, our mobility, as well as our flexibility index, okay? Now we're going to start here, doing our shoulder roll, to rotate our shoulders to the opposite ends of the mat, and lifting up our sternum, which is our T-bone shaped at the upper top of our upper chest area, right in the midline, and trying to elevate it that way. We're going to get into our back bends, okay? Now to elevate this more, we're going to come into a supine heart opener here. As we come into a supine heart opener, rotate the shoulder blades to the opposite ends of the mat, lift up the sternum, and the chest is gazing up, the hamstrings are getting a nice stretch, and the knees and the foot gets a nice rotation, okay? You just go down, and we're just having 2 breaths here. Good. It feels good. We're going to come into a camel pose now. We're going to work on the upper back, lifting up our sternum, as well as getting into our back bending position here. Good. Now we get centered, and we're going to come into down dog. Good. Lift down, into down dog, and we lift up. Good. Just breathe in. Like a lever. Just do back bends here. Flow with me and just feel the beautiful effects of being topsy-turvy, upside down on the frame of our spine, from the crown of our head to the tailbone. Okay, feel that lifting work. Good. Anchor the abs, push in the abs, rectus as well as the transversus abdominis. Good. Come down. Slowly, okay? Nice control. Good. Child's pose. So the trick is never to leave in the neck fall. You got to come in that down dog again. But to be in the upper chest area. To achieve this, we need to get into our shoulder rotation, lift up the sternum, as well as activating the deltoids. Deltoid activation is really, really important, key to us achieving this feat, okay? We're able to stay here longer and to be able to just take it in and breathe. Breathe into that space, okay? Good. Feel that the glutes are very, very much involved as well here. Feel like you're strengthening for the glutes. And as we get into back flips, to flip into wheel, just trying to get our shape aligned straight here, okay? Alignment. Good. Breathe it in. Like a lever. Straight into back bends. One more time. Breathe. Breathe. Good. And come down. Now you're going to take it into Prasarita. Try to come into a forward fold. Let the chest just come down. Should feel really, really good. Push the spine bone to the back of the room, and as you do so, we're going to lift off. Okay. Just find that balance and sweet spot to the mat. Collect the mind and bring the front to the mat. Really, really to come to the mat here. So that it's not topsy-turvy at all. And we feel very, very much supported here. Anchored and rooted. Now, of course, we are in vacuum pose. We are attempting our vacuum pose here to be our guide all throughout our practice here, okay? Feels good. To get it on the tongue as well. Sweet spot here where we can really just anchor here and stay meditating here for longer and longer. Good. Get into that sweet spot here. Breathe in like a lever, nice strong hamstrings. Glutes. We're using up the entire frame of our muscle groups here. Good. Come down slowly. Beautiful. So now we are preparing to come into tripod, okay? Just to cool down the room, it's a little bit hot. Or perhaps the flow is just intense. Good. Just start. Poke out the glutes. Feels so much better. Pull out the glutes. As much as possible. We are not in the neck at all. Upper chest strength, okay? Beautiful. So we are in inversions now. Really placing emphasis on our glands to release essential hormones into the bloodstream. It will just elevate our mood, our central nervous system, the endocrine system, blood flow, blood circulation, all throughout our entire frame of the body. And we need to come out slowly. No fresh landing. Just give you a different view of this practice. Good. I want you to focus on the abs, okay? Abs, abdominis, rectus, transversus abdominis. It's a nice lift. Beautiful lifting here. Vacuum pose. Zip up and tighten up the entire practice. Good. Come out. Good. Do you feel that strengthening happening along the frame of the body? Good. Correct. Into wheel. Good. So now we're going to do the side bodies back flip. Okay, we're going to flip our way into wheel. Just anchor, stay rooted. We're going to do back flips and flip into wheel now from headstand. Come from go into it from yonder. That's okay. Two. Wheel pose. In time, the spine will form a perfect bow. Next, here, just need to anchor. But you recline pigeon here. Just open up into the hips more, and more. Good. Breathe with me. Good. And then come to the second side. Downward. Nice drop the legs here. Really just sponge. Good. We come down. Now we're in our set bridge pose. Lift up the tailbone. Vacuum pose. Tighten the abs. Bring in the abs. Raise the rib cage. Right into the ribs. As high as you possibly can. Reasonably possibly 10% sort of below your maximum. Good. And then back and down. So now we're going to come into our happy baby. Open up the abs. Breathing in. Oh. Breathe. Come out. Woo. Yes, sir. So we're going to close here with a nice gratitude breath. You've watched this far. Let's hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, as well as leave me a thought in the comments down below. I absolutely love you for watching. I love you for taking time on the mat to just explore space and to live in you. I'll see you again in our next practice. Namaste.